Welcome to the Pedego Traverse City YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to wake up your battery when it's in a deep sleep mode. Now this battery is in a deep sleep mode and I don't know what to do. So the first thing I'm going to try is turning that battery off and turning it back on and seeing if the voltage light will come on. Let's see if it does. Nope, no voltage light. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hold down on this voltage button until all these lights go up. It'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and flash, then it'll turn off. That means your battery's awake. It should work. So let's try it out. This should take around 30 seconds to a minute. Now the battery's back on. Now whenever I hit the voltage button, it's showing that the battery's on. Your next step is to put your battery in your bike. Head to the LCD up on the top and see if she turns on. If it turns on, you are in good shape. Now, if you tried all these methods today and your battery is still not working or the LCD is not working at all, contact your local Pedego dealer and bring it in as soon as possible. We're here for you. That is how to wake up your battery in a deep sleep mode. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact your Pedego dealer. Have fun and have a good day.